Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It is just gone 4:10 and it is Tuesday the... So look at the date on here if I can. It is Tuesday the 29th of March. So hi Monkey, hi Paul. Hope everybody's keeping okay. Today, I did this a couple of days ago. My petunia, my hanging basket, which I'm really pleased with. This has got a petunia from last year in the middle. So these are perennial petunias, which all petunias are, as long as you keep them frost free. I don't know if you can just see, and the smell in here. Last couple of days it's been really warm. I've had the doors and the windows open. It's been full of bees. Absolutely loving it. But yeah, this is one been lined with an old carrier bag. Nothing fancy, just cut the edges off. But the next one I'm going to be using, I will be using begonias. I'm going to be main thing for putting these up into my hanging basket. I'll just get these, show you begonias out here. All looking really well. So yeah, all those begonias, apricot shades they're called. So there's 1, 2 and nothing there. And then we should come back around here. What else have we got? I have some really expensive begonia cuttings here. Might try see if that's rooted. Be nice. And then we also have, I'm going to stick in these 2 pelargoniums, which are cuttings from last year's pelargoniums. But look at the colour on those, absolutely outstanding. Just try and get a close up at the flowers. I just absolutely love them. Gorgeous. So yeah, first of all, what we're going to need for this is, now I've got everything all over the place, white bin liners, can be black, can be any colour. So I've run out of carry bags, so I'm going to be using these. So I'll get the tripod set up first and get the mic set up as well, folks. So yeah, first of all, if you can, get yourself an old pot like so. Get your wire underneath. You can take this wire off if you want to, but and then to keep it off the ground, get it balanced. Get it in a pot like so, and then we need to get this cut off. First of all, separate it. What I like to do with these, everyone's a little bit different, but what I like to do with these is just cut the bottom off of these bin liners. Like these are pennies, these. Like I said, if you've got any old carrier bags, bags for life are quite good as well. The old plastic ones, because it's like a woven fabric, so if you've got any of those, they do a really good job. Yeah, once I've cut the end off, the bottom of it, I like to do that, just get the arms in there, get as wide as it'll go, and to see if it'll fit double skin like that. Sometimes it does. So that'll fit, and it will, which is brilliant. So once that's fitted in there like so, I like to get my compost. Empty that out. Great. That is nice. So, right, here we go with that. It's falling off, so we'll forget about that. It's not level enough. So what I need to do now is, what I'm doing here, get this back up. I'll lift it up so I can just show you. Just filling it so it's a few inches off the bottom. I don't know if you can just see that here. Just there. What I'm going to do with it is cut some holes around the outside and plant up every couple of inches. So quite easy to do that. Let's get this camera back here. It's quite easy to do this. All you need to do is get your scissors or your knife. That's it. Just every 2 holes round you go. By doing it like this, you can get some nice plants in here, and they'll be trailing, it'll be lovely then. So once you're in there, you can just widen them a little bit. Not actually massively wide, because all I'm going to be doing with these is using these really fine, these out of the way folks, sorry about this folks, I'm going to be using these leftover petunias, and you see how fine these are. See those there, so all you have to do with those is feed them through, find the holes, so yeah, I have binned that and gone and got myself a bigger pot. And all I need to do then is feed it through each plant, make sure you get it covered with compost. Don't worry if you get a bit of compost coming out, it's not the end of the world. And just gradually spin your way around. Like this could have been a little bit bigger probably, but they'll do a good job. So for 2 holes, I know it's a bit fiddly this, but it's well worth doing, take my word for it, because this will totally cover your pots, which you'll down the bottom, which they will normally do anyway, but doing it this way, that's that one. Got a couple more to do. Yeah, it's quite time consuming, but it's well worth it. You can get pots where they've done all this for you, which is great. If you want to save a few pound, do it yourself. Just a couple more on here. That one's alright. Yeah, if you want to save a few pound, this is the best way of doing it. Once you get used to it and get a routine, it's quite easy. I think I've got another 3 or 4 to do. But yeah, it's a peat-based compost, this. Can't recommend it enough. It does a really good job. Right, well that's all on the sides done. As you can see, let's lift it up a little bit. As you can see, all I have to do then is carry on filling it. Right, so let's get some more compost in there. What I'll do with this then is I'm going to put one of these in the middle. In fact, I'll put 2 in the middle. 2 of those in the middle, like so. Let's get these out of the pots. These are cuttings that have rooted really, really well. Get the name of them, but they're really good quality pelargonium. That's that one. I'm going to try and leave at least an inch at the top. You don't want to overfill it. If you overfill it, you're not going to have to water it. The water is just going to run out. we're going to get these Begonias apricot shades now. Just push this back a little bit, I can get to it. So these are those. All I'll do with these is, all you want to do, just like so, put your fingers underneath. And these are fine like this. These have started rooting. See the nice roots there? These will split nicely. And you just want to space them out as neatly as you can. Cover them to where they were in the tray, which is probably 1/2 inch to 1 inch deep. And just keep spinning round. Some compost in there. Yep, just got a few more. Said nice root system on them. I've got another 4 or 5 to do. These like a bit of shade begonias, so don't worry about them being overtopped. But look at these here, lovely, absolutely gorgeous those. The 2 here, and these are going to fill this nicely. Be a lovely combination. This. Just spin it out. Right, got another. This one, which is a big old one. This one. Is it 2? Oh, it's 2. Which is great, even better. So that one. So I'm putting 8 in here. Now it seems like a lot, but these will grow nicely. I'm telling you, these will grow great. These. And all you need to do then is just fill in between. Just go around, fill it in between all the plants, like so. Shake it all off. And then I'm going to give them a really good watering. You can see them, those now. So I shall get the watering can. Right, here we go. This is it all potted up. Just going to give it its first water, its first feed. Look at the rest of the greenhouse. Say hi, monkey. It needs a really good tidy up. It's my feed. I'm using Miracle Grow. So what I'll do with this is, no matter if it goes on the leaves. It's not strong sunshine today, but all I'll do with this is just give it a really good water all the way around. This will all the compost settle. Like I said, you're better off with too little in at first than too much. Because one thing you don't want to do is, this side, one thing you don't want to do is put too much in. And then you have to take it out because it's coming over the sides. Yeah, there's 8 begonias in here, probably 8 or 10 petunias over the sides. 2 beautiful pelargoniums. So a really good mix. So yeah, that's all that done, which is great. You can see there my petunias, which are growing well. See out of the way here. My petunias, which are going to grow really well there. I'll come back and water this again later on because it was really dry compost. But yeah, them roots will get established. These begonias apricot shades will start coming over the sides, and it'll be a really good pot. So that's how to grow your begonias and pelargoniums. This one's your petunias. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoy my videos. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Please subscribe and like. Thank you. Bye.